The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Corolla 4-door sedan. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine base roof rack system. So this system consists of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, shown here in black. Silver is also available. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and for this vehicle, base slip 135 in the front and BC 151 in the rear. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and the crossbar spacing is 32 inches center to center. So this will also work for the same Corolla model, year range 2020 up to current 2023. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.